Hey, this video is part of Vibe Coding Olympics video series. If you have not seen the main video yet, please go and watch it first. It contains the context for what this video is about. Now that you looked at the main video, you're back here because you want to see how Cline performed. Well, let's take a look. Okay, let's go to second to last, which is Cline. So let's open a folder by creating a new folder. Oh no, I understood what I was doing wrong. By creating a new folder for Cline. We are here, we open the folder. We open the Cline. Okay. Oh, wait, we didn't rank the cursor. So, does it work? Yes. Has it loading indicator? Yes. Error handling. I think we did saw it. Design. I would probably not. Actually, no. I actually will give it plus on design. Copyright and license footer. I think no. Yep. We don't have that. API key link. No. Ability to save image. No. Right? We don't have it. Yep. Uses local storage to save API key. Yeah, that's a big no-no. Very big no-no. Doesn't use either the pre-filled prompt. Shows revised prompts. No. Shows loading time. No. Created a screenshot for readme. No, it kind of like created some kind of text test out. Created license file. Yes. Published the page. No. Got documentation. Did it or did it not? I actually didn't pay attention. Where is it? I think it tried. I remember it tried. So I think it did. It's just hard to understand if it did because it doesn't show if it did. I think it did. You can see here that it did. I guess it did. Okay, plus added default prompt. No. Okay, so what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 in plus. Not bad. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have minus 9 on minuses, which would be minus 3. 21 cents minus 3. Okay. Okay, now we can go to Cline. Let's go to Cline. So here we are at Cline. What do we want to do? Auto approve. Let's select it completely. I want to approve what? Read files, edit files, read all files, execute save commands. Okay, execute all commands. Let's go Puyo. All Cline to launch and interact with the website in the browser. Okay, use MCP servers. No, it will not be doing this time. Okay. So we have a bunch of auto. Plan act. I think we will want to do this act style. Model. I want to use Tropic. We need a key. We will use the key from here, the one we prepared, on which we have 0 spend so far. Let's add the key. Sonnet, the model is correct. Okay. I guess we can start. Okay, line, let's go. Same prompt. Maybe without the folder stuff. Last time. Cursor. Let's go. And the good part, we will see how much it costs exactly because we're using the API. So we sent some tokens. We already spent 4 cents. Oh my god. Auto approve. But so far we already have 3 actions. Right? So we created a folder, we gave it a prompt, and now we need to run the command even though I wanted to auto approve. Shall it's actually even failed? Huh. What? It creates some kind of boilerplate. Wait, I want to auto approve and save. Can you? Oh, I needed to check her. Okay, but okay, still confusing a little bit. Oh my god, this is gonna be crazy. So we spent 7 cents already and we are just on the first request. Okay, what did it do? Oh my god, it misunderstood the image as well. We're already on 10 cents. We don't have anything working yet. I mean, maybe if we used plan, it would have been better. I'm not sure. I mean, it's a simple app. Others do it without planning, so we are comparing them in this way. 15 cents. Crazy. We'll not need to go to Anthropic page. 18 cents. And I still have no idea what they are doing. Like, yeah, this is one of the 21 cents. It's already the most expensive. We only just started. I'm not sure even that I even want to continue. 23 almost. Oh boy. 24? What is it doing? Like it spent 26 cents and I haven't seen if anything even working, and it's doing a bunch of stuff. How much? It is 3 files though. Almost 30 cents already, my god. 31. Okay, it creates a readme. Well, I guess auto approve. At least it's not asking things. Less actions, more money. 34 cents. Git ignore file. Oh, it went very early into this idea. 36 cents. Oh, it decided to open it, like it itself decided to open the browser. Okay, it did something, but I want to open it in my browser, so I will still ask to open in mine. So application loaded. We already 50 cents in. Oh my god. It is GPT-1 image though. I guess one good thing is that it closed the browser. What? Task complete. Oh, it is proposing to still kind of action, but it's proposing to open in the. What is it doing though? Yes, it's opened it. We do have default. Okay, there was one action, but it was very proactive. What do we need? We need a key for OpenAI to give it a try and see if it works. Generate image. We still need to fill that in. Where are the cats? Give us some cats. Oh, interesting. Would you like to save an API key? That's like a bonus point. Interesting. Let's see. So that's an interesting thing. Let's leave a comment about it. So Cline asked to save key or not, which is a plus. We may add to others. Let's see what happens here. We got an error. Okay, we know that type of error happened to us before. I wonder if it's even gonna be able to solve it, because because it's actually not clear what it actually did. And we are 60 freaking 4 cents. Like it's most. It could be that in the end it will be the most proactive model at not asking things from us, but at the same time it's freaking expensive. What's the point of opening it in a browser in this case? That's crazy. What? Why is there verify by Cloudflare? Where is it? What is it opening? Oh, it's trying to read the documentation. Interesting. It tried to read the documentation and got blocked by Cloudflare. I guess we now know why others, or not others, most didn't succeed to read the documentation. But we are approaching at $1. Holy moly. So they after approve 20 requests, would like to reset the count and proceed with the task? Proceed. We need to write down this as one more action. I didn't find the documentation. By the way, we need to copy the thingies. I wonder if we're gonna even succeed. Okay, let's see. Okay, more cats. And actually, even though it asked about saving the key, it didn't, because I don't have a key here. What? That is weird. Okay, maybe I didn't push a key. I see loading indicators, I see dates, resolution, that's cool. That's pretty cool. There is UI. There is footer. Not actually with copyrights, but... And it still failed though. Can we maybe give it a little bit more info? Okay. Yeah, I wonder if it will actually be able to solve it. I wonder if we can give it some kind of information of what is the response form. Though we didn't need to do it to give it for others, they just succeeded. By the way, that was another action. I remember trying Cline some time ago, and this now mirrors my experience. It was, I don't know why people like it. I mean, I spent $1 for now, and it so far achieved less than others. So why? It considers task completed. Yeah, key. And it's actually still not saving. Even it asks like save the API key and then doesn't. Very stupid. UI is okay though. It does capture errors, but not in a way that helps us to solve the problem. boy. And it doesn't, like, error handling is not very good. I kind of start to feel like I need to put a limit on this. If we hit $2, I'm stopping. We didn't got lucky with Cline. I wonder if it can solve this problem. It's not like a super complex app, but it should have better error handling so that error it gives it could act upon and solve. For now, the error messages are not detailed enough for it to figure out what's happening. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Next time it fails, I'm gonna give it a message about base 64. I think what they DALI 3 works fine. Why is it updating DALI 3? So we in $1.05. Oh boy. So by now you probably start to understand why people come to Desktop Commander with Claude considering it magical, because it feels like it just works. And others, not really. Not really. Well, I mean, they do. Cline didn't. But that's like a relatively simple app. Let's again ask for that. Yes, save it, please. But you don't. I can give you feedback that you don't save. So let's go here, and this will be our last stand in trying to make it work. We'll see, maybe it's gonna recover and get a little bit further. Nope. Okay. This is our last try. I think we didn't count last time, right? I forgot. Let's go to Cline. Yeah, so we are 9. What's the cost? Oh, we haven't hit $2 yet. Oh boy, it went, and I told it that that is for GPT-4 image 1. Okay, maybe I didn't say 1. It went to try to update other images as well. We are not lucky with Cline. Sorry, Cline. $1.66. I wonder if this mirrors, like, people like Cline. Would they probably use it differently? My experience usually was like that with Cline. Like, it ate money fast, and I can't say that it succeeds. This is weird. I could be wrong. There could be users, I don't know. You need to know how to speak with it or something. So, where is it? Show me the results. Still updating. We are getting to $2. we've reached $2. I will not be adding new messages to this chat. Which means it failed. I mean, we're gonna take a look at what it did in the last try, but that's it. I actually need to run commands each time, which is weird. There were even more actions than I thought. Yeah, you're not saving anyways. So it's kind of funny. The model is the same, but the behavior of all of them is very, very different. We can see that it does work, the model does work pretty well in Claude Code and in Claude Desktop with Desktop Commander. It works pretty okay in Visual Studio Code with Copilot. I think those three are my favorites so far. Windsurf and Cursor did felt worse. Surprising. I thought like Visual Studio Code Copilot would not be. Oh, they actually got to this finally. So do we finish? I do need to add. Okay, let's finish. Whatever. I do think I need to add the open browser thing that I needed to click by hand at least 3 times. But by now I'm not very happy with Cline. Wasted time, wasted money so far. Okay. So it's updating the README now. By the way, we need to add one more pointer because we just asked it to do a thing. Oh my god. $2.30. Crazy. So it creates deploy. What? CNAME license. Seed. What 20 requests? You didn't do 20 requests. What? Almost. Will we get to $3 before we finish? I'm spending your coffees, guys. Support the channel. I'm burning money. Oh, that's okay. Okay, this is less than a coffee so far, but still. The worst part is time. Like I'm spending a lot of time right now on code of conduct. Interesting. But I'm spending a lot of time in here. What? It failed. To do a code of conduct. And it's slow. Okay, so far Cline is the worst. Is the most expensive one. Maybe it didn't require the most of the actions, but it's not good. Again, not good for me. Your mileage may vary. Maybe you need to plan act or whatever, but others didn't. So, crazy. Did it hang or something? kind of inclined to cancel it. It feels like it hanged. Can we cancel? Resume? Okay. Output blocked by content filtering policy. Okay. Not exactly Cline fault, but okay. Last prompt. Use terminal to actually push it to GitHub. I don't think it really finished with preparing. It's trying to do something about code of conduct again. No, actually it failed. Okay, this is it. I'm done. Client, sorry. So what do we have here? It doesn't work. It's the first one that doesn't work. It didn't finish. Has loading indicators? Yes. Error handling? I would give it a minus. It wasn't good enough. Design, okay. Copyright and license. Footer? No. Not in the latest version. It does have a footer, but not. No. API key link? No. No. All of them actually failed at this. Ability to save image, no. Uses local storage, no. Which it says that it does, but no. Show revised prompt, no. Shows loading time, no. Created screenshot for readme, no. Did it? I don't think it did. We even failed to. Okay. Created license files. Yes, that's yes. Published to page. No. Got documentation. No. Added default prompt. No. That didn't happen. Whatever. Oh my god. Okay, so 1, 2. It feels like the worst. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 12. That's the worst model out of them. Botan, like 13 actions. My god, cost dollars. Holy moly. This is bullshit. Okay. Well, that's how it went. So Cline performed the worst, the last place, largely because I failed to make it work. I spent a lot of iteration. It spent a lot of money. Basically, its first request was 8 cents, when there are other competitors in this Olympics that spent 8 cents or even less on the whole thing. Here, the first request was 8 cents, and whole run took $2.50 or a little bit more, and it still didn't reach the goal. So yeah, Cline was the major disappointment here for me. But as with some other tools in this Olympics, what I can say is that I'm not a regular Cline user, and I may not be using it right, or it may be a wrong tool exactly for vibe coding. Does it mean that it's a wrong tool for all kinds of coding? Probably not. I know that there are people who like it. So if you're one of those people who uses Cline, well, maybe show me how to do this kind of challenge with Cline, because I do want to learn. Otherwise, for now, this run was not successful, and Cline underperformed very badly in comparison to other competitors. That's all I have for you in this video. Uh, if you found this useful, leave a like, consider supporting with super thanks. There will be other links to support my channel. Anyways, subscribe and see you next time.